Sa video lesson na ito ay tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano kuhanin ang present value ng simple ordinary annuity. Ang formula na gagamitin natin ay P is equal to R times 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus I raised to negative n over I, na kung saan ang P ay ang ating present value, ang R ay ang ating periodic payment, ang I naman ay ang ating interest per compounding period na ang kanyang formula ay I is equal to R over M, na kung saan ang R ay ang ating annual interest rate, ang M naman ay ang ating conversion period. At ang N naman sa ating formula ay ang total number of payments na makukuha natin sa paggamit ng formula na N is equal to M times T, na kung saan ang T ay ang time or term. Halimbawa, Fernand borrows money to buy a motorcycle. He will repay the loan by making monthly payments of 1,500 pesos per month for the next 24 months at an interest rate of 9% per year compounded monthly. How much did Fernand borrow? So, again, ang una nating titingnan dito ay yung ating payment interval. So, since nakalagay dito na magbabayad siya ng 1,500 per month, so ibig sabihin nun, monthly yung ating payment interval at magkakaroon ito ng interest. Kaya nakalagay din dito, this is compounded monthly. So, monthly din. So, since ang ating compounding period at ang ating payment interval ay the same, so ito ay example pa rin ng simple ordinary annuity. So, ang mga kailangan lang natin ulit, kagaya doon sa ating previous na video lesson about finding the future value, are the following. So, una, kailangan natin ng value ng R, kailangan natin ng ating rate, kailangan natin ng ating compounding period, at kailangan natin ng value ng time. So, based dito sa ating problem, so 1,500 yung kanyang binabayad monthly, so meaning to say, ang value ng R natin is 1,500 pesos. And then next, yung rate natin, we have here 9% per year. So this is 9%, which is equivalent to 0.09. And then yung ating conversion period, which is compounded monthly. Now, since this is monthly, meaning to say, this is 12. And then yung ating time, we have here 24 months. So, 24 months in terms of years, this is equal to 2 years. So, since meron na tayong value ng ating periodic payment, may rate na tayo, meron na tayong conversion period, at meron na tayong time, we will now solve for the value of I. So, ang formula natin to compute for I, we have here I is equal to R over M. Ang R natin is 9%, so 0.09 divided by yung ating M, which is 12. So 0.09 divided by 12, this is 0.0075. And then after that, ang next natin na i-compute ay yung value naman ng N. So ang N natin is M times T. Yung M is 12. And then yung T naman is 2 years. So we have here 2 times 12, which is equal to 24. So gamit itong mga values na ito, isa-substitute natin siya sa formula natin ng pagko-compute ng present value. So we have here the formula. P is equal to R times 1 minus, we have 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. And then, yung value ng R natin based sa ating given is 1,500. So, substitute natin siya dito sa ating formula. We have 1,500 times 1 minus 1 plus yung I natin is 0.0075, and then raised to negative, yung value ng N natin is 24, so negative 24 over, we have 0.0075. So kagaya lang din ng mga nauna nating ginawa, simplify natin yung ating numerator. So we have here 1,500 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.0075. So that is equal to 1.0075 raised to negative 24 over 0.0075. Yan, continue lang natin yung ating pagsisimplify. We'll have 1,500 times, ayan, 1.0075 raised to negative 24. That is equal to 0.835831,404, and then over 0.0075. And then next, isubtract natin yung mga numbers na nasa ating numerator. So we have 1,500 times 1 minus 0.835831,404. That will give us 0.164168596. And then divided by 0.0075. So of course, ang next natin na gagawin is i-divide natin itong dalawang numbers na nandito. So magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng result na 1,500 times yung quotient ng dalawang numbers na ito, which is 21.88914613. And then lastly, i-multiply natin tong 1,500 at saka yung 21.88914613. So ang magiging result natin ngayon ay 32,833.71920. So, meaning to say, ang amount na hiniram ni Fernand ay approximately, that's 32,833.72, or pwede nating sabihin na yung kanyang hiniram is approximately 32,834 pesos. So this is now our final answer. Para naman sa ating second example, Hope borrows money for the renovation of her house and repays by making yearly payments of 50,000 pesos at the end of each year for a period of 10 years at an interest rate of 8% compounded annually. How much did Hope borrow? So, kagaya ng mga nauna nating ginawa, ito yung mga values na kailangan natin. So, kailangan natin ng value ng R, kailangan natin ng ating rate, kailangan natin ng M, at kailangan natin ng T. So, ang R natin dito sa problem na ito, meron tayong 50,000 pesos. Yung R naman natin, we have here 8%. So, ang rate natin ay 8%, which is 0.08 sa decimal. Yung M natin, this is compounded annually. So, meaning to say, since annually ito, ang magiging value ng ating M ay 1. And then, yung ating time, so ito ay babayaran niya sa loob ng 10 years. So ang magiging time natin dito ay 10 years. So after natin ma-identify yung mga values na yan, we will now proceed with the computation of I, which is given by the formula I is equal to R over M, where yung R natin is 0.08 at yung M natin ay 1. So with this, 0.08 divided by 1, that will give us 0.08. And then yung next naman natin, yung formula natin for the computation of N, which is M times T. Yung M natin is annually, so that is 1. And then yung T natin, that is 10 years. So 1 times 10, this is equal to 10. So, gamit uli itong mga values na ito, substitute natin sa formula natin ng paghahanap ng present value. So, we have here P is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. And then, yung value ng R natin, in this case, is 50,000. So, we have here 50,000 times 1 minus 1 plus our I, which is 0.08, raised to negative n. So, ang n natin ay 10. So, raised to negative 10. And then, over 0.08. So, simplify. This is 50,000 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.08. That is 1.08. And then raised to negative 10 over 0.08. So, continue natin yung ating computation. This is 50,000 times 1 minus yung 1.08 raised to negative 10. That is equal to 0.46319 3488. And then divided by, we have 0.08. So next ay isubtract natin yung nasa numerator natin ng mga numbers. So we'll have 50,000 times, okay, 1 minus 0.463193488. That will give us 0.536,806,512, and then over 0.08. So after nyan, i-divide natin yung dalawang yon. So magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 50,000 times yung quotient ng dalawang ito, which is 6.710,814. And then multiplying these two numbers, 50,000 times 6.7100814, this will give us 335,504.07. So meaning to say, approximately ang hiniram ni Hope na pera ay 335,504.07 pesos. Or again, pwede nating sabihin na ang hiniram niya is approximately 335,504 pesos. So this is now the present value or yung amount na hiniram ni Hope.